Hi guys, today on this video I will show you how to make a hole into element in PRO100 software. Let's take a look. It's gonna be like this. I'll take a little bit away. Let's take new element. Let's go to shape editor and hit this vertex, add new and add one more. This vertex let's put inside like this, somewhere here. Let's add one more. I'll take this vertex and I'll take 230. Just make sure that you are taking both directions like this. Here is make like 400. By the hitting shift I take all this vertex and I'm gonna make 400. Yes, like this. Then just take this vertex, make arc, then hit concave, then select this vertex, add one more, make like this, then hit arc, then hit concave and make this straight. Close shape editor and here we go. So now you know how to make a hole into element in PRO100 software. Please consider to subscribe my channel, give me a thumbs up and leave some comment, and I will see you in the next one.